Welcome people, Dancehall Skilla here again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so first things first, my people. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a public transportation motor vehicle that overturned and landed on one of its sides. Yes, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a public transportation motor vehicle that somehow overturned and landed on one of its sides. Now, the video also shows another motor vehicle in the middle of the road, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many motor vehicles might be involved in this traffic accident, as also some people might say. Yes, so I say, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any form of injury or anything like that, viewers and subscribers. I also wondered how many persons was inside of that public transportation motor vehicle that overturned and landed on one of its sides. You see me? But I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. And the video will be recorded in Jamaica. Yes, this video will be recorded in Jamaica. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Because my overtake, you know. Overtake. Yeah. So cartoon drive, man. Cartoon drive like him now, send. Over that side, them there with the bus. I can't see them there over on the right hand side. Over on the right hand side, I shoot the line. I saw that drive, man. Oh, cartoon! Cartoon, turn over, brother. Cartoon. See me now, brother. Yeah, see me. Cartoon. That's a green there.
Well, my people, that's really and truly a bad situation right there, so. And you know, me really and truly hope for the best. I'm going to say to each and every motorist, just take all the time on the road, because in my point of view, you know, something definitely have to go wrong for a motor vehicle of that size to just overturn and land on one of its sides. Yes, I may ask my people, so to every motorist, though, take all the time on the road and drive safely for yourself and for others. So may I move on to another topic. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between someone and a police officer who you can see in the video. So a person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person asked the police officer's name. The person also said the word ticket and other words as well, viewers and subscribers. So I want you to look at this video and tell me what you think about this situation, and based on what you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to this situation that you can see in the video. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
So, my day here, right? I'm come off of the... I'm driving and constant. Man, don't touch me. Do not touch me, officer. What did I do wrong?
Go back to your car.
Why are you giving me a ticket? What is your name?
I have given you a lawful order to go
What
back
is
to
your name?
Are you getting my instructions?
Okay.
You're getting my instructions?
This man, do not harass me. Why are you harassing?
You're getting what I'm saying?
Arisa, why are you harassing me? Why are you giving me a ticket? Why are you giving me a ticket? I need my documents and my license.
No.
Give me my documents and my license. Why are you giving me a ticket? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Why are you giving me a ticket? Huh? Why can't you answer these questions? What did I do wrong?
Alright, my people, you hear me I say now, see? I respect the law and so forth, but know your rights. You know what I mean? Know your rights. Because if you get pulled over or stopped by police when you are driving a motor vehicle, and if you're going to be given a ticket, or if the police tell you say that they're going to give you a ticket, then I think it is okay for you, the motorist, to ask, what did I do wrong? You understand me? Plus, if you do something wrong, you can learn from it, don't it? How you gonna learn if you don't know exactly what to do wrong? You might do the same thing again, don't it? Me just a say no. But overall, know your rights. Know your rights, but don't go do anything that can get you in trouble with the law. Alright? Now, my people, want to take a look at this video right here and tell me what's the name of that creature. Yeah, I mean, you know, that creature can be scary to some people, and some people might find a creature like that amazing, as I say. But what really and truly have me thinking is how long of a tail that creature have. You know what I say? I'm not sure if I've ever seen something like that face to face. I'm not sure. So, the people, just tell me if you can identify that creature right there. You see me I say, that species right there. Tell me if you can identify that species. You know what I mean? And I'm going to move on to our next video. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person talk about a motor vehicle that I can see in the video, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, the person gave an explanation. I'm only going by words that the person said in the video. Now, I want you to listen carefully to the words that the person said in this video and tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that you can also hear harsh language in this video. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
It happened to me. Me in that car, I got married and look here. The car slide way. Jesus Christ, the car slide from up here, so. Look. You see that gully there? You see that gully there, God Almighty, me say. I know me turn idiot, me heart hurt me. Go suck a blood clot, woman. You think I didn't the blood car? Me have so me pity them when me nearly go. How are you, man? Go suck your allow me. So when me nearly go, yeah. Down the gully, yeah. Me at the front of the car, yeah. Jesus Christ, this boy will tell me enough video when me nearly go. How you, man?
Yo, people.
See gully there? Me don't know how God the car wash right here, so. See it here? Right here, so. And God hold the steerings, make the man not go over there. And the man go put the car up there, so Jesus Christ, me piss up myself.
You see that?
Now me have video for show me family, them and friend them one nearly take place. This boy come down here and tell me about put down phone. Now I want to take one of them stone and lick in your blood. You say look, you take away yourself. Me say me lucky one more time. Me say see why man I wash from I come down. I over there say car I go turn over and I go dead now. Cause I know the front seat me there. Mama, what you just say me I go dead. Me say, God, make you pass this. Because when I tie the car tire reach, I say, no. I see where you can't go put it there. The car tire reach here, so see the gravel them gone down there. Jesus Christ.
The people are not joking thing.
Jesus. I say, God save me. No, man, put the car up here so and to catch him, man. So wait, my God, me alone there, everybody else gone.
My word,
Jaja, so you can't get one of them tractor man up there so you lift it over. No, man, I favor you ask them, man. This, I link the driver for the thing, man. Judge God. Oh, you mean if we could have worse? Me say when me look from where the man go at the edge and see the gravel, them a run down, cause me I look out now and say me I go over here so go dead. You hear me say? And me see the man carry car past, test so. And come put it here, so Jesus Christ. Who could it be, man? Yeah, man.
Hey, I tell my people, that joking thing right there, so still simple as they look funny, you know.
Why Fishberg, me nearly go over there, man. Yeah, man.
That's you, I
Yeah, man. So you know that's what I want. Car no wash out it. You have no wash out the car, man.
What are you?
Maga. Team there. Mr.
My people, talk about Jah a guide. Talk about God a guide. See me I say? I tell you, you sit down at that there, where they call that now? Gully? Where they call that? You sit down there? You see how down there so look? Me I tell you, my people. Me I tell you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about everything I talked about in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.